This photo from 1905 shows the beautiful Mountain Park Hotel. Its thermal springs attracted visitors from across the country. When World War I broke out, the resort hosted visitors of a different kind. Germans who happened to be stateside when war was declared. Many were sailors and businessmen from the merchant ship Vaterland. While leery at first, the townspeople and the internees developed a connection. Carpentry and crafts were shared. The industrious Germans even set to work building a Bavarian village.
In fact, right where we're standing now used to be a lane that went right down through here, and those small alpine village had the houses off to the left and right. And the captain of the Vaterland, the largest ship in the world at the time, had a little cottage down here, very pretty, bay windows on it, right by the creek. I guess that was a choice location, him being the captain.
This German invasion of western North Carolina housed almost 3,000 men. If you have to be detained, this remote resort was the way to go.
Then one of the prisoners escaped. They had civilian guards here at the time. So one of the prisoners escaped. I think he made his way to Mexico and said he had it better here as a prisoner than he did a free man in Mexico. But anyway, after then, they brought in the army, who built the fences and the watchtowers and the military guards and put it in a military basis.
Work groups constructed pagodas and patios, built gardens. Ironically, 22 internees died of typhoid fever as a result of contaminated wells at hot springs. When the war ended, nearly every trace of this German world was wiped out.
When the war ended, the guards and the people that were taking care of the place blew up the Alpine village, as tragic as it was, in celebration of the end of the war.
In Hot Springs, North Carolina, for Project Family, Greg Wallace, News Center 5.